Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bonani's Garden. In this video, I am going to show you how to grow lady's finger or okra at home and how to get fruits for a longer time. From sowing the seeds till harvesting, I will show the whole process. In this channel, I always provide full updates in all the videos so that you can see the results by yourself. This video contains total 200 days update. Let's get started. This is the month of January in India. The temperature is almost 25 degrees centigrade during the daytime. We collected these okra seeds from the local nursery. They are needed to be soaked for 8 hours before sowing. This will help them to germinate faster. This is after soaking the seeds. All the seeds are underwater. It means they are healthy. If any seed floats even after soaking for 8 hours, then don't sow them. They are faulty and will not germinate. I will use 10 inches grow bags to grow the plants. First, I need to make some holes under the bag so that extra water can be passed easily. The soil mixture that we are using contains the same amount of sand, organic compost and garden soil. The sand will make the mixture well drained. The compost and the garden soil will provide necessary nutrients to the plants. Mix all the components well. I have filled all the grow bags halfway. Make 1-inch holes on the soil. Put a single seed in each hole. Cover the holes with soil. I will add some coco peat. This will hold the moisture and help the seeds to germinate. Water the bags fully and keep them under direct sunlight. Do not overwater them, but make sure the soil remains moist. After 7 days, most of the seeds are germinated. After 17 days, the saplings are growing nicely. Today, I will remove the weeds and spray fungicide. I am doing this from this early stage so that any type of fungal attacks do not occur. After 22 days, the plants are growing nicely. But there are 2 to 4 plants in a single bag. They will not get proper nutrients if they grow like this. I will keep a single healthy plant in each bag and remove others. During this process, do not uproot the plants that you want to remove. This may disturb the root system. Cut the weak plants nearest to the soil. From now on, the plants will grow fast. They will need support as well as more nutrients. Today, I will add more soil. It contains the same amount of garden soil and organic compost. First, dig the topsoil a little, then apply the soil mixture. As they grow up, you should do this multiple times. Apply water fully after adding the soil mixture. After 35 days of sowing the seeds, After 50 days, the plants got flowers. After 55 days, each plant got fruits. Today, we will get the first harvest. The plants and the fruits look nice and healthy. This is after 60 days. Within 5 days, I got the second harvesting. Once the plants start bearing fruits, you should collect them in every 3 to 4 days. Don't wait much, otherwise they will become hard. I have only 5 plants and getting almost 2 to 3 okras per plant. The plants are now 75 days old. They have given enough fruits and still producing. Today I will sow more seeds. The idea is that when the old plants will stop, the new plants will start bearing the fruits. Thus, we will get a continuous supply of okra for a longer time. After 115 days, new plants are growing nicely. Today, I will add some soil mixture that contains same amount of garden soil and compost. Apply water after adding soil and manure to the plants. This is after 132 days. The new plants have become mature and ready to provide fruits. Today, I will give them more food. The old plants have stopped giving fruits. Their growth has been stopped too. In this case, we generally kill the plants. But I will not do that. I will cut the main stem at the bottom, keeping 4 to 5 inches above the soil. New branches should form very soon, and they should be just like new plants on old stems. I am adding some NPK fertilizer 10:26:26 to the plants. Always add water after applying any chemical fertilizer. After 147 days. As we thought, the old plants got nice new branches. And we have started getting fruits from the new plants as well. So you have seen we are getting fruits continuously without any break. After 157 days, the new branches on the old plants got fruits. So we have proved that you can get fruit from an okra plant twice in a single season. This is after 190 days. It is now difficult to say which plants are old and which are new. All of them are producing fruits almost at the same rate. Now, let's talk about the fertilizer. If you want to stay in organic fertilizer only, then you can use two things. First one is organic compost like cow dung compost or vermicompost. Second is liquid rotten mustard cake solution. Use these organic fertilizers in every 10 days. You also can use NPK based chemical fertilizers like 10:26:26 or 19:19:19. Use these chemical fertilizers in every 15 days. Okra plants need plenty of sunlight to produce flowers and fruits. Keep them under full sunlight for the whole day. These plants require a large amount of water. Water them before the topsoil becomes dry. But make sure extra water gets passed. During hot summer, you may need to water them twice in a day. Now, let's talk about the pesticides. As I have told earlier, I applied fungicide in every 15 days right from the beginning. You might have noticed my plants were attacked by leaf-eater insects. I sprayed organic insecticide neem oil, and the problem never occurred afterwards. Dissolve 4 ml of neem oil in 2 liters of water and spray on whole plants in every 15 days. When okra fruit ripes, it becomes yellow and the skin gets cracked. Now you can collect the seeds and save for the next year. So as you have seen, we got the first fruit within 2 months of sowing the seeds. It has been over 6 months and they are still producing fruits. If you have a small place at your home, you can easily grow chemical and insecticide-free okra or lady's finger for your family. Thank you for being with us until the end. Hope we will meet again in the next video. And keep remembering our motto, make your rooftop green, the world will be greener.